Hey you guys, welcome back to another video brought to you by the one and only SIMONE NICOLETV, and that's somewhat period poo. If you are new here, I do videos on my locks, luxury finds and buys, travel, and what else do I do videos on? Oh, lifestyle. I do videos on lifestyle. So if you're into any of those things, if you can relate to any of those things, make sure you do subscribe. I just want to say thank you to all of my subbies that have been subscribing over the past couple of weeks and months. I've gained around 300 new subscribers. Hey you guys, welcome. Make sure you subscribe to become a diva or divo. I want to give a special shout out to an individual that actually tagged me in their video because I used one of my songs. If you don't know, I also make playlists for you guys. I want to give a special shout out to Hannah Oybo. It's spelled Oybo. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it. First name Hannah. Shout out to you for using my music from my non-copyright, copyright-free playlist and tagging me in that. I really appreciate that. Seeing stuff like that really motivates me to continue doing and putting out a type of content along with this type of content, because I know you guys love this, but I wasn't sure about the new content. But thank you guys so much for subscribing and being here and sharing this journey with me. So in this video, I'll be talking about my Speedy 25, as you guys know. So let me give you the dates. So the date that I purchased, I'm gonna go ahead and screen record it so y'all can see it too. I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all. So let's go to the LV website so I can get the exact date of when I purchased it. I purchased my Speedy 25, a monogram, on September 9th, 2022. So we are in October, so it's been over a year since I've had it. You can see the price, you can see the order number, you can see, let's see, can you see the store that I purchased it at? I already know what store it was. It was in Pennsylvania. I don't think you can see all that on here. Nah, it don't tell you all that, the location. That would be nice, but it was in Pennsylvania at the Ross Park Mall where I purchased it. Here is my Speedy 25 that I've had for about a year and almost a month. Here she is. What do y'all think? Get it closer. Let me give y'all a little close-up of her, how she looks thus far. This is her. As you can see, I do not have a baseboard. I do not have a baseboard, and I do not have a insert bag organizer is what everybody calls them. I don't have a bag organizer. So let's talk about how often do I reach for her. She doesn't have a name. I never named her, but I reach for her quite often. She has become my fall bag. She has become my spring bag whenever I want to carry like a bit more than my usual, because I don't carry a lot. I am a mini bag girl. But I definitely have moments where I want to carry, like, you know, maybe all of my phones. I have 3 phones total. I want to carry all of my phones, or I want to carry my iPad. It doesn't fit in here quite comfortably, but it can hold it. You know, I might want to carry a water bottle. Yes, I put liquids inside of my Speedy 25 bag. You guys see me looking down. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder that I have set up so I can make sure everything is in the camera. So yes, I do put water bottles in here. The mini ones, the full size ones, they fit. I mean, I may want to put, you know, keys that have a lot of chains. Oh my gosh, I'm in a hotel, y'all probably hear the refrigerator making noises. I hate that. Hopefully it's not too loud. Ooh, you know what, I need to use my mic. I'm gonna add a mic. Hold on. Okay guys, so I'm using my mic now. Hopefully it's making a little bit of a difference. Hopefully you can hear me a little bit better and more clear. So yes, how often I reach for it? I reach for this bag often, especially now because it's fall. So like I'm wearing a lot more like browns. I'm wearing more neutrals, more tans, beiges, blacks. To me, this bag is a neutral bag, and I feel like I can go with every outfit. I wear this with black, I wear this with pink, I wear this with whatever I have on, honey, because it's definitely like my get up and go bag. Like I throw things in it and I go with it. I go. So yeah, like I told you guys, I don't have a baseboard, and I'm not one of those people who gets bothered by having a bag that slouches. To me, it's still cute. And plus, when you're holding this bag, for me personally, I don't want it to feel like I'm holding like a big boxy figure, like I don't want it to feel like I'm holding something bulky, even if there's a lot of things in it. I don't want to feel like I'm carrying something like, like I just don't want that feeling of, you know, I don't know if I'm making sense. I prefer to have this looseness to it because it conforms to my body very well. Like it lays on my hip, it lays on my side, like it's not in the way when I'm carrying it like this. Like it just feels very, to me it's cute either way. I know some people really don't like this. It never looks like this for me. I'm making it look like this. It never looks like this for me. For people who have the bag and it looks like this, you probably are overstuffing it, and I wouldn't recommend doing that, because even though this is a nice item and it was supposed to be made with care and love and durability, I wouldn't be so rough and so, you know, don't do too much. Just don't do too much is what I'm saying. Personally, I would recommend you doing too much with this, because you want it to last. You want to take care of your items regardless if it's expensive or not expensive. You want it to last, period. And I've had my purses in the past that broke on me that weren't designer, but like purses I had when I was really young, like, you know, elementary school, middle school, where I would overstuff. This is not what this is for. If you're gonna overstuff, honey, if you're gonna pack it to the max, get you a book bag or get you a tote, not a Speedy 25. That's not what this is for. It's not what this is for. Okay, so let's talk about the wear and tear. So it's been a year, like I said, and to me, this bag has held up pretty good. I don't know if you could tell based off of the video that I did before in this one. If you follow me on TikTok, I post more on TikTok about this bag, but it has patinaed very nicely. I love the way it looks. I love the patina. I'll probably post a picture if I can find it on the screen of how it looked when I initially unboxed it and showed it to you guys. So yeah, you can see the patina. I don't see where I have like super crazy wear and tear. Like the piping is good. The piping looks very nice still on both sides. I want to say the tab, like this tab, it does show wrinkle, but I mean, things are gonna get wrinkly as they age, just like, you know, our skin. This is skin, right? Calf skin. It's gonna age. It's gonna age, but this to me is not a big deal. And it's interesting because on that side it has the wrinkling, but on this side it does not. You can see it's also made in France. We love that for me. Something that I did notice on this bag is that I have like a white spot somewhere, and I don't know where that's from. Where is that? I might not even can show you. I think it's right here. There was like a white spot. I don't know if I did that with my nails, or if I brushed up against it with an umbrella, or with my iPad. I don't know. But overall, like, there's nothing wrong with the hardware. The zipper works fine, as you can see. The zipper is great. The zipper is great. The pull tab is great too. There is a little bit, I want to say this probably has the most wear because I'm touching this the most out of everything else. Oh, see, this is my first time noticing it. This is why we do these videos. Okay, so look. If you look up close, you can kind of see on the hardware how the hardware is kind of peeling. Can y'all see that? Like, not peeling, but it's tarnished a little bit. You can see that? It's kind of like scraping off, maybe like a scrape off situation. And even like the tab right here, it's kind of like, you see the red from the red kind of, I don't know, it's not peeling, but you can see that it's been roughed up. And even the metal piece right here, you can see how that's changing colors already after only a year of having it. And it has the same thing on the back. So I want to say probably the most wear and tear that I see on this bag is on the pull tab, which that's what I touch the most. That's what's gonna get touched the most. So if that's the least of my worries, I'm not mad at it, to be honest. And plus, I don't baby this bag. I've worn it in all weather possible. If I'm going somewhere and I already have the bag stuffed to what I need to carry with me, and it starts raining as soon as I step outside the door, I'm not going back in to change the bag, honey. I'm gonna protect as much as I can with my jacket or my umbrella. If it gets wet, and I can show you here, it has gotten wet. There's some droplet marks here from water stains. Yeah, the water stained it a little bit. But like I said, it's nothing terrible. It's nothing that I'm too upset about. The handle itself to me looks pretty good. it does have some wear on it. I can't really show you guys underneath. I can't really show you underneath how it looks, but you can kind of tell there that it definitely has some wear. So yeah, one thing that I do dislike about the bag, which is not the bag itself, is just I guess the way it was hot stamped, is that the person who did it didn't do the best job, in my opinion, if it's peeling within 2 weeks of me having it hot stamped, because the S, N, and R are visibly coming off. And like I said, it's only been a year, but this started happening within a week, I want to say, after getting it hot stamped. So here's a close up if you guys can really see what I mean by the hot stamping peeling. And based off of that, I don't think I would get my bag hot stamped again, because it just doesn't look good. It doesn't look nice. It looks like I went somewhere that wasn't Louis Vuitton to get it hot stamped. And I don't want to give that. I don't want to, because the bag is not fake. The bag is authentic. So I don't want to give, I didn't get it hot stamped through the correct process. You know? That's just me personally. Okay. So, moving on. Overall, the wear and tear, thumbs up for after a year. I'm not going to be too hard on the bag, because I definitely don't baby it. I definitely take it, and I definitely use it like a bag. Because it is a bag. And so yeah, the stitching is all good. The yellow stitching is all good. No issues with that at all. And this is the bottom of the bag, in case you're wondering how the bottom of the bag looks, since there's no feet. The canvas, to me, is doing a really great job. This bag is doing a really great job with holding up itself and standing the test of time. Now, I'm gonna come back maybe in 5 years and let y'all know for real what it's giving. I don't ever plan on selling the bag. Of course, I knew that when I got a hot stamp, but I'm sure I could find somebody with my initials. The world is small. You never know. But I don't ever plan on selling this bag. I really love her. Okay, so personal opinion about the style. I like the style of the bag. I was going back and forth if I wanted to get the Speedy 25 bandolier, which is the Speedy B25 for short, which has the long strap. I also thought I was going to get the 30 instead of the 25, but when I went to the store and tried it on, I realized the 25 is best for my lifestyle and for my, I want to say my size, you know, my height, my shape. I feel like for me, it looked good on me. I didn't want to look like I was carrying luggage, you know. I wanted to look like I was carrying a purse, because I have the Damier Ebene in the keep all. I don't want to get a bag that was similar shape to that in a larger size, because it's going to, to me, give off like I'm carrying my suitcase still, my duffel bag, which that's not what I want to give. So that's why I went with this 25 in without the strap. But for someone who wants to be hands-free and carrying a bag and wants not to worry about the weather or the wear and tear because of the weather, then I would definitely recommend getting you the Damier Ebene bag with the strap. So Damier Ebene, a bandolier, so that you don't have to worry about anything while wearing it. It's going to be a carefree world. I'm living in a carefree world too, but it's going to look like a better bag in the day versus the one that I have because of the Vachetta. So yeah, that's what I would say. But if you don't care about none of that and you just want the style, you want the look, get this one, because it's a classic. It's a classic. Would I recommend this bag to anyone who is a first-time Louis Vuitton shopper? I would say yes. Yes, I would. If you don't own any bags from Louis Vuitton, I would definitely recommend you getting a classic, because you can always sell it if you don't like it. It's never going to go down in the price. It's always going to go up. There's been price increases there's been price increases at least 3 times a year since I've been shopping with Louis Vuitton. I've been shopping with them since 2019. So yes, I would recommend anyone getting a bag if they would want one, or if they've been wanting one, or if they want to try out the brand. Definitely recommend you going into the store before buying it. Even if you don't buy it the day that you go in to try it on, or to see like what options are available or what looks best on your body, it's okay. Do that and then think about it later and put it into your wish list on your Louis Vuitton app. That's what I do. And if I really want it, I'm gonna order it. I'm gonna order it on the app. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to know what I carry in it, what's in my bag, let me know and I'll do that video for you guys and have it up. I'll be posting these types of videos every Thursday, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so the way you are notified when that video is uploaded. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.